I think people should attend the Digital Manufacturing Week because manufacturing businesses aren't great at celebrating success. And actually that week is really about sharing some of the wins from 2022 and really showcasing manufacturing as a leading force within the UK.
What's happening at Digital Manufacturing Week? There's a lot going on. I think there's a chance to learn and to see new technologies in action at the Smart Factory Expo. Plenty of ideas for ideas sharing, which for me is the most important bit of it all. Ideas sharing at the Directors Forum, Leaders Summit and the Growth Summit that's going on.
So it's a really valuable event for manufacturers to attend. Lots of them are looking to solve similar problems, whether it's from sourcing and retaining talent to reducing their carbon footprint. And this is an amazing opportunity to see and hear about new ideas and innovations.
There's so much both globally but also UK-led that is going on within manufacturing, Industry 4, cloud-based technology, automation, digitalization, robotics, in all these different fields and so many more. There's so many great innovations and groundbreaking technologies that there's an opportunity there for people within UK manufacturing to really come and see that being showcased.
I personally am going to be chairing one of the tables at the SME Summit. So actually talking about talent attraction and talking about how we retain good talent within the industry, but also celebrating Top 100, the talent coming through, and then on the evening of the MX Awards, actually seeing some of the people that are really groundbreaking with some of the stuff they're doing within manufacturing and being awarded something for it.